How to set up an email account in Microsoft Outlook. Open MS Outlook and click on File in the top menu. Click on Add Account. Enter the account email address you need to set up. Click on Advanced Options and check the Let me set up my account manually checkbox. Click Connect. Click IMAP. Choose and enter a password. Make a note of it. Click Connect. Ignore the error and click on Change Account Settings. Enter the correct IMAP account settings. Change the server name to your registered domain name and add mail before the registered domain name. Be sure to make this change under incoming mail and outgoing mail. Click Next. Enter your password and click Connect. Add another email address if you wish to add more than one. Click Done. Your new email address will appear in the left-hand column. It's that easy. Domains.co.za. It all starts with a domain name.